In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide, disable autocomplete suggestions and address bar on Brave browser. If you'd like a cleaner browsing experience and prefer not to see automatic suggestions appear while typing in the address bar, then this tutorial is for you. Brave browser includes a feature that displays autocomplete suggestions as you type, helping you quickly access websites, searches, and previously visited pages. However, some users prefer a more private and distraction-free experience, and disabling these suggestions can help achieve that. The good news is that turning this feature off only takes a few moments. Let's walk through the process together. Start by opening Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser has fully loaded, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the menu icon, which provides access to many of the browser's settings and customization options. Click the menu icon to open the drop-down menu. From the list of available options, locate and select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main settings page, where you can customize various aspects of the browser to better match your preferences. After the settings page opens, look toward the left side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel containing several categories. Find and click on Appearance. This section controls many of the visual and interface-related features within Brave browser. Once you're inside the appearance settings, move your attention to the right side of the page and scroll downward until you reach the Toolbar section. This area contains several options that affect how the browser behaves and what information is displayed while you're navigating the web. Continue scrolling until you find the setting labeled Show Autocomplete Suggestions and Address Bar. This option determines whether Brave displays suggestions automatically when you begin typing into the address bar. To disable the feature, click the toggle switch next to this setting. When the option is turned off, the switch will move to the left and typically appear grayed out, indicating that autocomplete suggestions are no longer enabled. After making this change, Brave will stop displaying those automatic suggestions in the address bar as you type. This can help reduce visual clutter and provide a simpler browsing experience, especially if you prefer entering web addresses or search terms without additional recommendations appearing on the screen. The change is applied immediately, so there is no need to restart the browser or save additional settings. Once the toggle has been disabled, you can simply close the settings page and continue browsing normally. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, disabling autocomplete suggestions in the Brave browser address bar is a quick and straightforward process that only requires a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.